Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play with Hilda. To begin your adventure, first familiarize yourself with Hilda's distinct characteristics and special skills. She possesses a remarkable ability to connect with nature, often revealing hidden pathways or resources. Next, immerse yourself in the expansive game environment, actively seeking out interactive objects and characters. Completing the initial set of introductory quests is crucial, as these will seamlessly unlock a wealth of new gameplay features and expand your accessible areas, providing a solid foundation for your journey. Hilda comes equipped with several powerful core abilities that are essential for progression. Her unique spirit vision allows you to perceive unseen elements, often highlighting crucial items or pathways that are otherwise invisible. Furthermore, mastering her ability to communicate with various creatures provides invaluable information and assistance throughout your journey. Remember to leverage her exceptional agility to traverse challenging landscapes, from steep mountains to dense forests, ensuring no area remains unexplored. Practice these skills regularly to become a truly effective player. Engaging deeply with Hilda's world is key to unlocking its full potential. Actively gather essential resources, such as the 3 distinct types of berries and 5 unique herbs, which are vital for crafting and healing. Many areas feature intricate environmental puzzles. Utilize Hilda's specialized tools and keen observation to solve them, often revealing new paths or valuable treasures. Additionally, fostering strong relationships with the diverse non-player characters you encounter will frequently lead to significant rewards and open up new narrative branches. For those seeking to deepen their experience, advanced strategies offer exciting new dimensions. Keep a sharp eye out for subtle environmental clues, as these often point towards well-hidden secret areas containing exclusive content. Challenge yourself by participating in the various timed events and minigames scattered across the world. Successfully completing these can yield incredibly rare and powerful items. Finally, personalize your Hilda with a selection of over 20 unique outfits and accessories, allowing you to express your individual style while exploring every corner of her enchanting world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.